You know I play too much. Anyway, 2020 gave me 2020 vision. The road is yours, Chef P. Even in a pandemic. The doors that open, the hearts you stole, that flavor you got is out of control. Welcome to Flava Trophies. All right, and we live right here on Food and Lifestyle TV, and we will be live again next Tuesday doing a surf and turf battle for you guys right here on Food and Lifestyle TV. Don't miss it.
Ain't nothing shaking with Becky, man. We gotta go get some of them groceries, ain't it, for today?
Yes, sir. We got the battle going on today, so now we're gonna go to the store. We was about to go up to the mountain real quick, but kind of rained on the parade. We might be able to catch it later. We got time right before the battle, but yep. Going to get my arsenal together. I gotta go get a haircut because I promise I'm not battling anything if I don't have a haircut. I promise I won't. I promise. So gotta go get one of those together. But you know, we getting prepped. We coming with all things flavor. Coming with all the energy.
Oh yeah.
All the energy, all the smoke. I can't even tell it. Like what do you bring? Like smoke. Don't even. Shout out Chef Carmen. That's my dog. That's OG. I love him. But I'm about to show my ass today.
In a beautiful way.
So,
yes, man.
Stay tuned, family. One big fat and a ribeye, please. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you. Sauce and Drip forms on the fashion of great food and the fashion industry has the insight of what's going on, everything trendy. So definitely come in with it. A lot of kids don't say swag no more. Drip out, you know what I'm saying? And being able to talk and, you know, be on camera and keep up with this flavor at the same time. So Jay's the producer of that, but she pimped out my chef coat. I already had my major flavor chef coat, this particular one. But I definitely wanted to wear that one today because I definitely feel like I got a lot of fancy ones because of her, you know. But this one I wanted it to really stick out. Major Flavor is my company, Major Flavor is my brand, and I feel like if I'm fighting for my culture today, I need to be in uniform for sure. How we got before us? Shoot, we at least got at least five or six.
Before 7.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll be ready.
Heard that.
We'll be ready. So stay tuned, family. It's just the calm before the storm. Just in my brain. You know.
In my mind, right, y'all. Here we go.
Right.
Oh wow.
That's a lot of extra drip from the last time I've seen it.
So committed to the gang got cold feet. I got luster, but no boundaries. The flavor that I kick needs its own county. What's the bounty?
What's up, everybody? Chef P. Hey, my OG. It's that ghetto folk, that flavor express, you know what I'm saying? Same destination, you know, we in this thing. Hot girl season still. What's up?
Yeah. Talk to him.
Challenge. I'm excited. It's gonna be a party, y'all, today because my favorite two things is seafood and red meat. Yes, I like the meats. All right. So, all right. I said we got two young ladies here. They are bossed up. I feel like the black girl magic is all around the room. You know what I'm saying? They are the owners of their own seasoning brand. How big is that? That is huge. All right. So standing to my left right here is my girl, Chef P in the building.
Okay, how y'all doing? What's up, Savor Destination? How you doing, family? We in here.
All right. So talk about your seasoning.
Well, my seasoning is called Savor Dust, and it is 2 years old. It is composed of 21 spices from all across the world. It goes on everything from pot roast to popcorn, and it just takes everything to a new level, you know. So I just can't wait for you guys to witness that flavor in here today. You know what I'm talking about?
So dope. Can't wait to taste. All right. And standing to my right is another queen, a beautiful black queen, Chef Carmen. Atlanta!
What's up, everybody? How y'all doing?
Let me tell you about her, because she got, okay, she's in the game, for real, okay?
I own a food company. I've been in business for about 20 years. We travel all over the country, doing larger outdoor events. And we feed the homeless all over the country.
Oh, that's so dope.
Yeah. She got some skills. She got some mad skills. She got her own season. But we're going head to head tonight. It ain't going to be nothing but love, though. That's the way.
All right, ladies, so are y'all ready to, like, really do this?
Oh, yeah.
How do you feel like, I know you feel like she's a mentor to you. How do you feel like battling, like, a great one?
I feel honored for one, because this is my first battle, because all the dudes be scared. So, you know what I'm saying? For somebody else to actually take me on the challenge, you know, and to being somebody established, somebody who I look up to, somebody who I want to be like when I grow up, I feel like it's dope. We finna have a good time. You know, she's gonna definitely, you know, put on a display of all her amazing spices and things right now. And, you know, Chef P gonna take the scene like I do, and we just gonna have a good time. We got a DJ. We keep music while the DJ can play while we cooking and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's cool. So, hey, like OG say, turn up and get lit.
Turn up and get lit.
Are you ready? Are you ready to do this?
Ready.
Let's get ready to Dragon Fire!
All right, y'all. So while they're getting ready to cook, because you see all this delectable stuff right on the table. Look at all of that stuff. Ooh, look at all that stuff. I'm gonna introduce you guys to the judges for tonight. All right? Hey, girl.
Hey. How are you?
This is the model chef. She's back for her second week.
Yes.
You know you're doing big things when you get invited back 2 weeks in a row.
Are you available? I'm always available to eat. I'm always available to judge. You know, my peers. Like, this is something that's dear to me. You know, we do this every day, so I'm especially excited tonight because we got two black queens in here.
Two black queens
doing their thing.
Absolutely.
We got a black queen over here DJing, giving us our vibe, our move. We got another beauty over here with the judging and the hosting.
Right. Thank you.
I'm excited. Now I'm really interested to see. They're two different. We got two different generations. First off, and then you got two different just ideals of cooking.
Right.
But they both have some similarities. So I'm excited to see the differences and see who really going to pull through and win this thing. So
absolutely.
You ready?
I mean, who's your money on? I mean, if I could ask you, who's your money on?
don't know. You know, I'm seasoning the game. I always go for, you know, the
OGs.
The OGs always kind of come through with, because, you know, we always got something in our back pocket.
The OGs,
so,
right.
you know, you just never know. I'm always rooting for everybody. So let's get to it.
I'm excited. Gourmet Angie, y'all. I done seen this girl grow her following from 0 to what she is at right now. She is out here doing really big things.
Thank you.
She is a food influencer, food critic. You do meal preps and all of that.
Yep, sea moss, ginger lemonade. So just out here trying to get it in, you know.
All right, so this is your first week here for the battle. What are some of the things that you are like expecting, or do you want to see tonight?
Well, I'm definitely expecting some good food. I know both of these ladies, they've been doing their thing in the kitchen. I've been watching them on social media as well. So I'm really excited to taste all the different seasonings they have, all the flavors, how it matches and pairs well with the food. So I'm really excited to taste both chefs' creations they're coming up with. They're doing the surf and turf, and I definitely love seafood. So
there you go. Dragon Fire Kitchen going down right now. You see it.
Come on, Greg.
So what are you fixing for us today?
Oh, I'm supposed to tell you right now.
You don't want to give my little teaser?
Oh, I thought we was getting into the battle started.
Oh yeah, we live.
We live. The time hit. The time hit. We done start hitting the time on it.
You ready to get started?
You over here trying to give
No, I was trying to get some information. Wait. Oh, she said she got it. Wait,
Yeah, my food come in like the dream girls. Like,
I got you. So, okay, so we'll wait on that.
we'll wait on it.
But can you tell us what?
I definitely, when me and OG decided we're going to do surf and turf, I definitely wanted to come with a different feel. You know what I'm saying? I'm more of I like to cook like Picasso, so I like to do paint, I like to do creations and stuff. So what it looked like is OG finna give you some of that classic southern old school OG flavor. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna just slip it up for y'all one time, like, whoa, okay, what's that?
Right.
And then we come together right here, and it's just that magic, man. I'm
Can you
excited.
tell us what flavor? I mean, you're gonna use your seasoning, of course. Okay.
Save with us. Save with
All
us.
day, all day. And so you say you like Picasso and you like the paint, right? So this is gonna be a real colorful flavor.
You don't know about me. You got
It's gonna be real colorful, real beautiful. You know, because Picasso's work was real colorful, was real beautiful. You know.
We're gonna see. I'm gonna just let y'all know. I'm gonna give y'all the immaculate flavor. Like I said, save with us is all you need in the Bible. It's like,
You know what you got going on.
yeah, we got some of that right there.
Yeah, I see what she's working with over here. She's not ready to reveal to me what she's cooking up. Not yet, because she said she got a whole presentation for us. So I'm not
You
mad.
look up front right there. What's that?
That's you, baby. That's you, baby. That's you, baby. That's all you right there.
Heard that. Y'all got a timer and everything? Explain to you people what's going on. Y'all got a timer?
Yeah, we got a time about 30 minutes and shit. While we over here say so I'm ready. You know, I woke up at 5:30 like SpongeBob.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Tuesday.
Come on.
And I got my boy.
Hey, we out here. We out here. And here we go.
Here we go.
Hey, let's go, P. Talk to them. People rooting for you, baby. Oh.
You see how I get dusty like that and it covers all of that? So we don't need all of that. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like that. A nice coat.
Indeed. It's a must, gotta have that savor done. There it is, baby. Oh my goodness. Well, what is she doing to that steak? Well, what is she doing to that steak? Well, I gotta check this out. Yes, ma'am. Get you some. I know y'all hungry. Let me see the smiley face with the tongue if you want some of that steak. Oh my God.
Huh? What's on this steak? Are you ready? Yeah. All right.
Ready, Mo? All right. Who got the taste you can trust and the have is a must?
Savor dust, savor dust.
Pop on the rust, need some flavor on the crust.
Savor dust, savor dust.
You can cook out with the fam. Your tater salad bland.
Savor dust, savor dust.
Come on, what's the plan? You know who I am.
Savor dust, savor dust. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Like let the proteins and everything speak for themselves. These ladies and these spices that they got going on,
I can smell it.
I wish I could smell it. I am ready, so ready. And I got my red wine over here breathing. So we're gonna be pairing all these flavors together. So y'all stay tuned.
You ready? Look,
First round.
I'm ready. First round. Look at that. We getting to it. Amber Alert, let's go. Hey.
MadeToFlavor.com, baby. $6. It's okay. We ship it everywhere. Everything you need. 21 spices, baby.
Heard that. Okay. Heard that.
Fire Kitchen. We got a lot of Chef Carmen supporters on here. Hey, Connie Black 355. J Net 9799. Look at that. Food and Lifestyle TV. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Food and Lifestyle TV. Make sure y'all subscribe. That's my drink over there. You see I'm working though. Look, what we doing with these shrimp?
Over here, I made me a nice, what I'm going to do with my pho bowl is I did a Korean dish. I'm going to make the base of it, a bulgogi, which is in the Korean language is fire meat, and that's exactly what I'm finna get y'all, fire meat all across this thing right here. So this is the sauce that I made with savor dust.
Okay.
We have chili paste, onions, soy sauce, garlic, green onion, and ginger. So all in there. All the oriental aromatics that you need to make flavor is in here right here. So once we get my steak off this grill, then we're gonna put these on here, and then we just gonna put this together right here. It's real simple, baby.
Okay. You gonna show us, right?
You got some great stuff. You got a sweet
Hey, Debo in here. Yeah. Hey, okay. Homemade. Homemade. Hey. Welcome up. Hey.
You doing something over here? What is this?
I'm just draining my pho.
Okay.
My ramen, you know what I'm saying? So then we're gonna go to the party. So right here we just drain this up. The certain part is gonna come right now. We doing our preliminary. But right here, you know, most people use water with the incense. I use a little chicken stock with a little savor dust right here. Make sure I got a good flavor in here. And then I'm about to get these proteins grilled and seared up and then get ready. But right here, it's a little pho. Let them know.
Oh, yeah. That's it. Wow, look at them. Look at them tar girl. Look at them diamonds. Look at them diamonds. We're eating good in here. Turn it up, bro. Y'all come in, tune in for the vibes, guys. We going live. Food and Lifestyle TV, man. Food and Lifestyle TV. So y'all can check out what's going on in this kitchen, bro. Ain't nothing but good vibes, good food. Jeez Louise. Look at them steaks over there. Look at that, man. Come on, man. Look.
Food Lifestyle TV.
Hey, man. Getting down to the final stretch. I want to see who win this bad boy. That's where y'all got to go. Food and Lifestyle TV. That's it. Food and Lifestyle. Look, man. One time for the one time, man. Want y'all to see what is going on in here. Big steak club. Y'all already know what's up. Hey, head to Food and Lifestyle TV so y'all can see who won this thing tonight, man. We got beautiful shrimp on the grill. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all know which one made your flavor. Here we go.
Dragon Fire Kitchen, y'all going down right now.
Baby. So we just gonna add
That shit
look at all that fat.
That looks so tender.
That's all flavor. That fat right there. Especially since it done got hit with that savor dust. That's crazy.
But y'all checking it out now. We in here. Yeah. Okay, look at all them colors. Look at those array of colors in there. Look at all those array of colors. Now watch that surface. Okay. Savor. Dust. Savor. Dust. Savor. Dust. Savor. Yeah. Swag. Surf. Swag. Flip. Flip. Hey. Flip. Savor dust. Flip. Savor dust. Flip. Savor dust. Flip. Hey. Turn up, P. Step it up, P. Step it up, P. What they do, P? Hey, what they do, P? That all know, P. That all know, P. Looking at this song. Yeah, looking real. Okay. I swear, man. I swear. Yeah. Oh yeah. Focus. Oh yeah.
15 minutes on Dragon Body.
Halfway there, y'all. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ha. Yeah. Savor dust flip, baby. Savor dust flip. Let's go. Yeah.
Don't do it to him, Chef. What you doing, Chef?
Oh yeah, ain't nobody flipping like that around here. Flip that, Chef Pistol. What your chop skills like? What your chops like? Huh? I ain't got no skills for it. What your chopstick skills like? What your chopstick skills like, man? Come on, man.
I think they're gonna burn off. We got smoke pans. We go with our folks.
Big drip.
Right in there.
Right now, it's going down right now.
Let's go.
Battle, y'all. And Lifestyle TV, make sure you are following us right now, y'all. Crazy.
Boy, it's too hot in the kitchen. The pan can't take it.
People, I think the baby just on the floor. We put it that way.
She wants some shit. That heat going around it. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yeah. Get into it. Indeed. No, they get back there. All part of the dark. Hey. What's going on? What y'all see out here? Huh? What's happening? Hey. Oh, that's a must right there. That's a must right there. What that is? Chef P, what you heard that Savor does? Where you gonna find that at?
You can find it at MajorFlavorWorld.com. Okay, baby, $6.
Heard that.
$6.
Yeah. Way to rotate that, girl. Come on now. Let's go. Little drip. Come on.
What's up, baby?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hit it.
Butter on there like that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Hearts. Look at them all. Look at them all. They love you, Chef Carmen.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Drop them hearts.
Yeah.
Pineapple, y'all. Pineapple. What you about to do with the pineapple, though? Woo! Looking really excited right now.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, we flipping shit now. Look at all them goddamn ingredients in there, man.
Pineapple emojis.
Get in there, Chef P. You better mix it up, Chef P. You better mix it up, Chef P. Yes, ma'am. Like, what it tastes like? What it look like? Hi. Major flavor game. Ready for war, baby. Let's go.
Can I get a pan fire emoji? You a clown. You do this a life.
Yeah.
What up? Shout out to all my chefs. Yeah, they snap it. You see what she over here doing now?
This is not for gazing, but my next to changing color.
See, I don't know what y'all been told, but I gotta get me a big bankroll. Yes, a fat bad is sticking in some bad ass. And when I step out on the scene, suckers already know this. Hey, talk to them. When I'm talking about my... Okay, Dusty. Take it, Dusty. Oh, no. It's that Flavor Express. Let's go. Big Flavor.
4 minutes on Dragon.
Flavor Express. Aki. Let's go, Flavor. Come on. Bring it home, P. Bring it home, baby. Coming in hot. Watch out. Yeah. Who out here doing it like that, man? Huh? Who out here like that, man? Let's go. Da-da-da-da. Focus, baby. Yeah. Big drill. Okay, Picasso. Let's go, Picasso. They count it down, Picasso. Yes, ma'am. Big drip. Oh yeah.
30 seconds, Chef.
Oh yeah, Chef P. Oh yeah, Chef P. Big Picasso drip. Y'all see it. And y'all see the dust. It's a must. Must have it.
Chef, this is fine, Chef. Look at your face. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, hands up! Hands up! Hands
See, let's look at the comp over here.
Good job, y'all.
Beautiful plate over that way.
I want pineapple
Beautiful
emojis.
plate over
If you
there.
think P1, I want ramen emojis. Let's go!
Go ahead and get that close up on y'all ass.
Look how amazing this is. Look how amazing.
Flavor Express.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you please back up from the bar when they get a display set, and I appreciate it greatly. Thank you so much.
Steak and lobster, steak and shrimp.
Too late? Hey, hands up.
Her hands up.
Chef P.
What's up, baby?
Let us know what you got.
Okay, so this is the ghetto fold from Flava Express. Come on. Surf and turn. So I took a ribeye in there. I marinated it with this gochujang, kind of the kimchi type base. So a lot of soy sauce, not a lot, but brown sugar, rice wine. So I got that oriental thing right there. I got the fried egg. I got the grilled crab. And then I got those big boy ghost shrimp under there. So it's a sweet and spicy type complex. And like I said, I took some ramen noodles and tricked it out, made it flavor style. Come on, baby. All right.
Oh, DJ. Coming over there with that heat. Player partner coming over there with that heat. Excuse me, bitch. Continue, but. Major flavor game. That flavor game express special.
Put that to the side. You know how to go to the presentation. Then we'll do judging. Chef Carmen, please, center stage. Let us know what you got.
I have a filet, lobster and shrimp with some sauteed asparagus, baked potato with butter, sour cream, and chives. You want to take it closer?
What kind of steak you make?
That's a filet mignon. Filet mignon.
What's the temperature?
Medium rare.
Is that the temperature you would want for it?
Yes.
All right, everybody, we're at the Instagram time limit. We're going to sign off. The judging's going to start. We're going to come back on in 2 minutes. Thank you very much for joining. We appreciate it here at Dragonfire Kitchen on Food and Lifestyle TV. Come on back. We're about to set it right back up.
All right, man. Talk about your experience, man. Let's
Oh
keep
man, it was great. Man, we got through it here okay. You know what I'm saying? Heat is on. My pan was on fire, but it was because I was on fire. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? We got through. I had time to spare. That's what I always wanted to do. My first competition, I did not want to be from the white hands up.
Heard that.
Yeah.
Heard that. It's amazing.
So I definitely wanted that. You definitely wanted that. So I mean, right here, I'm proud. At the end of the day, I did what I had to do. You know what I'm saying? So we go from there.
Both beautiful black queens. So whoever wins, it's still a win for all of us. You know what I'm saying? It's still a win for sisterhood. So, all right. Without further ado, y'all.
Chef, I gotta give the man back. Okay. Chef P, baby girl. First of all, the fact that your face is on the side of this curtain,
That's very creative.
hats off to you.
You took it to the whole, you took the theme to a whole nother.
The flavors you created,
Just gotta get that.
the food was on point.
Everything blended so well together. Even the egg yolk dripping into the noodles.
That's what
That
set
topped it off.
My only thing for this one, I personally wish the steak was more medium, mid-rare versus well done. Now I get it, you know, what you came with, you know, the residual cooking and the steam and all that other stuff. So I know that cooks it over more. That would have been my only takeaway and you know, my critique for you. But as far as overall, the crab, I'm allergic to shellfish, by the way. So I can eat crab.
Okay.
So the fact that you had that crab, that
That little piece of crab.
and then you got it mixed in, and then I love the presentation of the crab leg. It looked like a razor clam. Very smart. Love it. Good job, baby. You did a really, really good job.
Take a bow, baby. Take a bow.
You did just it.
Everybody applause.
You're rocking the night too, by the way.
Chef Carmen.
Not a problem.
First of all, I ain't never mad at a damn steak and a baked potato.
Right.
And when I go to a steakhouse, we getting a baked potato, loaded mash, mac and cheese. Off the rip. That's the first, right. That's the first thing that we ordered. The temperature, I know you said you wanted mid-rare. Mine was a little more medium mid-rare, but that's how I like my steak. So it was perfect for me. It was juicy, you let it rest. It wasn't, blood and stuff wasn't running everywhere. Like you really thought, technically with it. The asparagus, my only takeaway for the asparagus was I wish you had blanched them first before you cook them, so it can really be, that bright, crunchy kind of flavor to it. But overall, good job. I mean, everything came together. I'm gonna give you the floor.
So both plates were amazing to me. The presentation was really good. Like I said, I love Major P. Her flavors, like they just blended so well. I also love like everything on here. The only thing I kind of like my steak like that, not like medium rare. I like it. Let me see. I don't really like it tough.
Like medium well, maybe.
Yeah, like a medium well. So that's the only thing.
Yeah.
So I actually like the medium well with this because that's the kind of steak that I like. Everything was good. The only thing I would say, just a little more seasoning on the asparagus, but everything else, it was really good.
So without further ado, we do have a winner. And our winner tonight,
I'm going to take a bite.
For the studio, man, it's the house. We had to show out, man. I was up here with Chef Carmen, man. I love her. I love the love that she gives. This lady is phenomenal, okay? And you're gonna see more of her, especially because you're with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm her new protege. She gonna see. I want to be like her when I grow up. We did. I was scared. I ain't gonna lie. I was scared.
They both did they thing though. But congratulations to you. You know what I'm saying? You feel like you passing the torch a little bit? It feels like you passing the torch a little bit. So, win for women. Yes.
Chef Carmen, with your spices and seasonings, doing the thing. We love and appreciate that you came through.
Okay.
And we want you back. And you brought your peoples with you. We want to acknowledge, Food and Lifestyle TV wants to acknowledge the Chef Carmen fan club. Y'all came through. Y'all blessed our little young network. And please continue to help and support us. And Chef P, we loved you. That ramen, I'm going to tell you, in the room, it's about to go down. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you appreciate this. Keep on following Food and Lifestyle TV. We're trying to do a little something different. We're trying to make it lit, but at the same time, focus on the very talented, very skilled culinary talent we have here in Atlanta. Thank you, everybody.
Yes, sir!
Supported our cooking battle tonight. Let's congratulate Chef P for an amazing job, amazing dish. I had a ball. Thank you guys for supporting. We had more on this live than I've ever had on the live. And I thank you guys.
There it is. Beautiful.
So can y'all tell us where we can buy the purchase seasoning?
Yes. Well, you get mine off majorflavorworld.com. It's $6. Also, I sell it out the trunk like a drug dealer. So if you in the metro Atlanta area, I will pull up. I keep the seasonings in the trunk. But if you are not near, it is majorflavorworld.com. It's $6. Thank y'all, man. Thank y'all.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
What's up? Come on, let's baby girl. First of all,
let me fight a split.
Hey, this is your boss man. This is y'all. Chef. Winner, champion, Mamba form. What happened today? What happened today?
Dominated. Here you talking about. It don't matter. I'm one of one.
Heard that.
Whoever you are.
Heard that.
What culinary school you went to? What following you went to? Chef phone. I don't give a fuck.
Hey!
Flavor, baby.
Fucking me.
Who wants smoke?
Huh? Nigga, let's go.
Every moment I'm king. In this very moment I slay Goliath with a sling. This very moment I bring. Put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring. And I will retire with the crown. Yes, no I'm not lucky, I'm blessed.